Let's go back and see what I told you. So let's click on the payment service.
Yeah, I'm very glad to be here. I'm looking forward to join this conference because it's the first conference since the last 2 years for me, and I've had a lot of guests that feel the same here. It was very interesting, good talks, interesting speakers, a lot of networking around. That's very important for me because I'm not a technical guy. So lovely city here and a very good organization. So thank you and see you next year.
About this event was the fact that we had a lot of highly skilled professionals talking about subjects that they really know things in depth about. We had like at least 2 PhDs, real PhDs on their craft. So it's very interesting to see after the pandemic an event like this that has a lot of professionals engaged, fully clothed in everything that has to do with knowledge and data. So, the sky's the limit. For some of them, just sparks were there, knowledge was high. So, yeah, I would recommend to anyone. Great company and select company to be around.
This year's event, Big Data Week. It was really fun, and I met a lot of old friends. Just imagine that I met like 12 friends, old friends, and it was a lot of fun. And the feeling that I had on the stage doesn't compare with anything